In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Prometheus to Grafana. Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to connect Prometheus to Grafana so you can visualize your Prometheus metrics. Before we begin, make sure you have access to Grafana Cloud or a Grafana instance, and that your Prometheus server is up and reachable. That's all you need. First, open the place where Grafana manages data connections. Log into Grafana Cloud, then look to the left menu. Click Connections, and then choose Data Sources. This is the hub where Grafana learns how to reach your databases and monitoring backends. If you ever need to change or remove a connection later, you'll come back here. Next, add a new data source. Click Add Data Source, and from the catalog, select Prometheus. If you have a long list, use the search bar to find it quickly. Choosing Prometheus tells Grafana which query language and features to expect, so dashboards and panels will work correctly. Now configure the connection to your Prometheus server. In the URL field, enter the address where Prometheus is listening. For example, http://localhost 99090 if you're running it locally. If your Prometheus is on another machine or behind a gateway, use that full address instead. Leave access set to server and keep the other defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them. Using server means Grafana will make requests from the server side, which is usually best for firewalls and credentials. Avoid putting any secrets in the URL, and confirm that the address is reachable from Grafana's network environment. Finally, test and save your setup. Click Save and Test. If everything is correct, you'll see the confirmation message. Data source is working. That means Grafana can query Prometheus, and you're ready to build dashboards, explore metrics with PromQL, and start visualizing trends and alerts. If you don't see success, double-check the URL, confirm that Prometheus is running, and make sure any firewalls or proxies allow access from Grafana. And that's how you connect Prometheus to Grafana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.